अच्छा. I know.
बहुत फाइन आर्ट हुआ है.
No, I know it's very irritating because when I was in my school and my seniors used to call me कि अरे ओए बच्चे इधर आ, तो मेरे को बड़ा irritating लगता था. तो how you guys irritate me by making my funny memes and all. So this is my way of telling and irritating you, telling that you guys are kids. There's a very beautiful compliment I've got yesterday. So somebody told my father, and I think that's the most that would give the answer. So somebody told that my father's friend, कि जब मैं दर्शन का गाना सुनता हूँ, so मुझे उसमें उसकी मॉम की झलक सुनाई देती है. You can feel my mom in my songs. So I think that's one of the most beautiful comment or compliments I've got. So I think I've always got inspired from my mother, because I think she taught me the values of life, and she taught me that you have to be a good human being in your life. आपको एक अच्छा इंसान बनना है. So I think because of all that I get inspired, and जो melodies हैं जो मैं compose करता हूँ, always feel कि मुझे composing is आपके composing में कोई science नहीं होता. There is no structure, or it's not you can learn. So I think it comes to me from a divine energy. It comes to me. अंदर से आता है. You're in a bad phase, bro. Just like me. Try finding a girl with the तो काम थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा. इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाएगा आपको लव सॉन्ग्स लिखने का. बट अगर लड़की नहीं मिलती तो आसपास कितने सारे लोग हैं प्यार में, इंस्पिरेशन लेते रहो. अभी आई एम ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूज यार कि भाई मैंने इतना कितना जोया किया, बट शी इज नॉट कमिंग. सो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू नेक्स्ट इज आई एम गोना से भव्या. एंड व्हेन आई से दैट यू हैव टू कम. ओके. सो आपको मेरा सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट बचाना है, तो आप जल्दी से मेरे पास आ जाना. आप लोग एक दिन बैठिए संडे को, डिसाइड कीजिए कि भाई देखो तुम भी पसंद करते हो, मैं भी पसंद करता हूँ. लेट्स कम ऑन अ कॉमन ग्राउंड. नो, let's stop fighting. Let's love Darshan together, and Darshan is going to keep making songs for you guys. तो अभी तो हैप्पी लव गाने आ गए हैं, तो आप लोग मिलके साथ में एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. आई होप दैट मेरी वजह से अब आप लोग पास आ जाएं आफ्टर 2 दिन. The one with that smile, no, that tear, what is it? No, हाँ, for me it's I use it more for sarcasm. That one with teardrops in it.
And are you more
And heart also. I use hearts a lot, and kisses also. I think there are so many amazing singers. So I consider myself a songwriter, composer first, and then a singer. My mom made when you are hungry. Okay, you can always have what my mom made when you are hungry. I didn't get that. Huh? Oh! Oh God! मेरी मॉम ने तुम्हें अपना सन इन लॉ मान लिया है. वाह, दैट्स अमेजिंग. मेरे अपकमिंग बच्चों के बाप, हेलो. यू गाइस, आप लोग मुझसे मत करवाओ. आई एम अ वेरी शाय पर्सन.
Really?
I am very shy. Let's push and pull like a magnet to love the shape of you. आओ कभी हवेली पे, सीधा वहाँ से. चलो आता हूँ मैं, कहाँ पर आना है मुझे बता दो, मैं आ जाता हूँ. Let's do गलती से मिस्टेक. That's the most weirdest line I'm gonna hear this. I'm very decent. Can I kiss your nose? No, please. I don't like my nose. After reading a message, Darshan be like, सोचा था वो कितने मासूम थे, यहाँ से क्या हो गए देखते देखते. ये मुझे आपके लिए कहना चाहिए कि मैंने सोचा था कि आप कितने मासूम थे, और देखते देखते क्या हो गए. मैं तो वैसा ही हूँ. Darshan, which slang word do you use? Darshan, no, I will not tell. I don't want to spoil kids. हम है शिकारी वाला गाना गाना. हम है शिकारी, लंबी गन छन से जो छूटे तो हो जाए दाना. हम है शिकारी. So I just ये मैं अभी बोला ना कि बच्चे बिगड़ गए हैं. If I be the woman in the song Hunter, I would have. Oh God, ये क्यों करते हो आप लोग ऐसा? आप सबको बिगाड़ रहे हैं. Okay, there's more. There's more?
There's more, yeah.
Darshan Rawal's sexiness can literally cut me and I'd say thank you. Kissing is a language of love. That's well done. Oh God!
This is nice. You got it like that.
Yeah, kissing is a language of love. Let's have a conversation. Yeah? आपके डैड का नंबर दो मुझे जरा. बात करता हूँ. Give me your dad's number. Smile is the second best thing you can do with your lips, but let's start with the first thing. Right. Hello, I would like to order some sweet. Can I get some darshan out, please? That's very sweet. We can have a bit. Imagine a concert with 20,000 people in front of the front area of stage is covered with girls. Darshan mistakenly sings Chumma Chumma Baby and throws his t-shirt away. What's next? It's my time. Never know. थोड़े टाइम अभी नहीं हो सकता. शर्ट के ऊपर के 4 बटन्स क्यों पूरा शर्ट खोल दो? ये सबके नाम मुझे बताओ जरा. मुझे सबके घर पे बात करनी है. You look hot in black shirt, but I find you hotter if I can pull you out of. ये रैगिंग हो रहा है मेरा. Illegal. Darshan Rawal wearing black shirt is illegal. Yeah. And yeah, man, you're less hot. It hurts.
There's more.
If you want more, it's already enough for me. I'm sorry, I'm too bad to react on this, but आप सब हैं तो बच्चे ही. Then a singer, but I think लोग जहाँ तक जानते हैं, people consider me as a singer first, and then a songwriter. But in my real life, I think I'm a singer songwriter पहले, because there are a lot of songs I've written for my friends and जहाँ पर I've told them not to use my name. So I think I love writing songs. भजन हे राम तू अंतर्यामी सबका स्वामी. There's one more. अगणित उपकार छे ना बाप आपने भूलशो नहीं. Two songs I really love. 2018 ends. There are 2 more songs. Hopefully 2 more songs. So they're big surprise. No, not 2 more songs. Oh shit, no. After 2 दिन there's one more version of Chokala. There's one more song I'm doing in November, maybe November. But I'm not allowed to say. Not allowed to say. I'm not allowed to say that 2-3 more songs coming up. Maybe more or maybe less. Let's see. I think it's more harder to tell somebody that I do not love you. Telling somebody that I love you is a very beautiful thing. If you love somebody, you should tell that you love that person. Because I always say, छोटी सी जिंदगी है वक्त में मुझे sometimes when I'm sitting I wish कि अभी I was kid and now I have this and that. The time is running. That's what I want to say. So I think किसी को अगर आप ये कहेंगे I do not love you, that's more heartbreaking. Oh shit! अब फिर से जब बारिश होगी, they can sing all my sad songs. I know मेरी wedding पर सारे sad songs चलने वाले हैं. Crazy this. चन्ना हली से. I love that song by the way. You बच्चे हो तुम सब अभी. ये सब करने की तुम्हारी उम्र नहीं है.
Again you calling them a बच्चा?
हाँ. अगले इंटरव्यू में अभी नहीं.
Okay.
बंदू please make a note of this. That's mind blowing. I'll tell you what मैं आई एम अ पर्सन जो एक गाना बनाते 4-5-6 महीने चले जाते हैं. मैं साल के 2-3 गाने निकालता हूँ मैं खुद. सो व्हेन this songs, the series of songs started coming out, I sang for that serial, then I sang the Chogada came out, then Kammarya came out, now we're bringing out 2 दिन. बीच में कुछ आता नहीं क्या. बारिश लेते आना पहले आया. I think it started with बारिश लेते आना, then the serial, then Chogada, Kammarya, 2 दिन, now few more. So I get scared. Too many songs come out, तो मुझे डर लगने लगता है that I hope every song works, because for me every song is important. So
And they're all working.
So that makes me happy as well. But yes, I'm scared. मैं जो 1-2-3 गाने करने वाला साल में इंसान आज देखो 6-7-8 गाने कर रहा. I don't know it's good or bad. I'm happy जब तक मुझे ये लग रहा था people are loving this song. I'm happy. No, it's okay if I a week without taking bath, but changing clothes. But changing clothes, I don't like. I रोज एक कपड़ा मैं नहीं पहन सकता because sometimes it happens, but I would prefer not taking a bath and changing clothes. We can try. So collaboration is more of jamming. I always feel if you want to collaborate with somebody, तो आप उनके साथ jam करो and then see what comes out. So yeah, definitely my music for the songs that I composed and I made, and definitely for the good things I do in my life, for good things for people I do. People जिनको मैं बहुत सारा प्यार करता हूँ, उनके लिए जो चीज़ें मैं करता हूँ, definitely I would like to be remembered for them as well and for my music. I think there was a phase in my family when my father was against music and I was too confused in life because क्या होता है आपको करना होता है, but always said music is not music, any field apart from ये engineer और doctor, उनके अलावा हमारी families में गुजरात में आप कोई अलग फील्ड लेते हैं तो people consider कि अरे ये तो it's an hobby. So I think I had that phase as well, and my father was against it and everybody against it. अरे पर नहीं चला तो अगर नहीं होगा तो so that was a phase I was really confused, really harassed, and I wanted to give up. I said कि ठीक है यार, तो फिर अगर नहीं होने वाला तो फिर I'll try something else. But again, there's some energy which saves me from everything. और फिर मैंने छोड़ा कि नहीं यार, फेल तो फेल हो जाएंगे ना, कोई बात नहीं, वैसे भी सब कर रहे हैं, एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग गुड अराउंड, सब करेंगे, बनेंगे डॉक्टर्स बनेंगे, सब इंजीनियर्स बनेंगे जो डिजर्व करते हैं. आई एम मेंट फॉर दिस एंड आई टुक माई स्टेप डाउन एंड इट वर्कड. This is something I really want to tell. I don't want to tell him, but I really want to be like him. So I really inspire him. I really inspire. So when my friends near मेरे नज़दीकी दोस्त हैं, मुझे वो हमेशा कहते हैं कि you are very similar to your dad, and I think we have a common sense of humor, but he has a better sense of humor. And he's amazing. So I think I really inspire my father a lot, which I've never told him. उनको लगता है कि ये एकदम बदतमीज़ लड़का है, बदसलूक लड़का है जो मेरी नहीं सुनता, अपनी करता है, ये है, पैसे वेस्ट करता है, बर्बाद करता है, पैसे उड़ाता है, all that shit. But I really inspire my father a lot, and I really want to be like him, what he is. I think the first thing that dreamers should know that you have to fall, you have to fail, so you can get up and you can fly again and never stop dreaming, because each and everything what's happening with me right now, I had dreamt of it earlier exactly the way it is, and it happened. I trusted my dream. You should trust your dreams.
That's so true.
It happened with you also?
Yeah. The only belief that you have in yourself and the trust that you have in yourself and the dreams, it's only that which keeps you going. Otherwise, it becomes very hard.
Yeah. Anything with chocolate is fine.
I was just about to say that.
Anything with chocolate is
Anything
fine.
with chocolate. Yeah,
Yeah?
same.
अभी सिर्फ 2 दिन है ना, तो मुझे वो पता नहीं चला कि आपको आइसक्रीम कौन सी अच्छी लगती है. चलो, we're matching on the ice cream part. We should actually grab some ice cream afterwards. Yeah. It's amazing. See, for me, it's always I enjoy the process of making a song. So for me, it's when I'm making a song, I don't know what kind of song I'm making. I always say मुझे गाना ऐसे ऊपर से आता है. But I really enjoy this.
इसको happy
feeling आ गया, because मैंने कहा कि I was very frustrated. मैं जाऊँ, मुझे हर because an artist is free, no? I'm not bound to make anything. It's just what I feel. मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है, what I'm feeling, I make. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस इंसान हूँ नहीं रियल लाइफ में. So I think मुझे लगा कि अब मुझे थोड़ा मेरा रियल साइड बताना चाहिए लोगों को, what I am. Yes. No, it's something that what happens. अभी बहुत सारे गाने अभी recent times में सुन रहे हैं जिसके अंदर drop होता है, टांग 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 टुम टुम टुम. So it's interesting. I love that also. But I really wanted something जो अलग हो. So इसका drop is an organic, is something which is sang, उसको गाया है और उसको ऐसे ट्रीट किया जैसे वो एक कोई म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट हो. सो इट्स रियली अमेजिंग हाउ वी मेड, हमने गाना गाया. इट्स डेफिनेटली कवर्ड विद लॉट ऑफ वोकल लेयर्स और but I think it's amazing that this, I can say this drop of this song is organic. It is उसको गाया गया है, उसको मतलब म्यूजिक से प्रोड्यूस नहीं किया गया. So I think yes, that's the beauty of this drop. कि तुमसे प्यार भी करता हूँ. So yes, it's an organic drop in the song. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अलग अलग तरह के गाने सुनता हूँ. And I read there's a song which is a beautiful song which is called Lonely to Be Together. That's by Avicii, and I really love that song. So whenever it plays, I start dancing. Yet उसके गाने के जो lyrics हैं थोड़े से sad है, but I love that song. That's my go-to song. It is difficult, definitely it's very difficult because आप जितना भी कोशिश करें, there are a lot of negative things that come in your way.
That's true.
But I believe that हर रात के बाद एक सुबह होती है, and I am always happy. चाहे जितना भी बुरा वक्त हो, मुझे पता है कि ये रात खत्म होनी है और फिर एक सुबह आनी है.
ये नया गाना आ गया.
नहीं, हाँ, मतलब अगर ऐसे तो मैं इसलिए मैं इंटेंस गाने बनाता हूँ. But I know when I get up in the morning, I have millions of people following me, millions of people looking up to me, waiting for my songs, hearing my songs. So I think it's a big responsibility for me.
It's a blessing.
It's a blessing, and I'm loved by so many people. Love, I think, and that love is unconditional love. So that really makes me very positive. कि जो भी बुरी चीजें हो रही है होती रहेंगी, but I have so many people loving me, so I have to do good for them.
Yeah.
Take me into doing a lot of things. Yeah. I don't know. मुझे पहले लोग बोलते थे कि अरे यार स्टार, अगर आपको स्टार बनना है तो you have to follow Illuminati, something like that. I have been told. बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी एकदम से याद नहीं रही. And some uncensored things. There are a lot of small kids following me. I don't want to say that. But हाँ, बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं.
तुम बता रहे थे, he was telling me कि college people were like कि तुम कुछ बन नहीं पाओगे, but here he is.
हाँ, अरे वैसे तो बहुत लाइनें हैं लोगों की जिन्होंने मुझे कहा था अरे तू ये तू वो. तो चलो आज उनके फेवरेट गानों में पहले 5 फेवरेट गाने मेरे ही हैं. So I think it's all covered, it's all done. I use this talent.
He's always
No
cracking
people.
jokes.
हाँ,
Lame.
I'm lame. That's a useless talent. But that's how मैंने आपको इसलिए उस तरह से तो इम्प्रेस किया था मेरे लेम जोक से. आप भूल गए, मैंने आपको वही लेम जोक से पटाया था. So I have few qualities like but the people, I think people already know that मैं bird का voice निकाल सकता हूँ and all that. मेरे को there are a lot of people I've recently, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. lot of negative things happening in our country with girls and small girls. I feel I really want to punish them, और मुझे कोई बस मौका दे दे तो I would really punish them, और कोई restrictions ना हो. but I think there's law, India government law, जो I hope justice करें जो जितनी गलत चीज़ें हैं. but I think अगर मुझे एक मौका मिल जाए to do right things, I would जिस पर मुझे मेरे ऊपर government restrictions ना लगाए, I would do that. See, I think it's not a regret, but I always think मुझे लगता है people keep on telling me that मैंने मेरी ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें I have achieved at young age, but I think मुझे लगता है I'm too late. मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ों में अपना वक्त बर्बाद किया. There are few things in my life जो मुझे I should have not done, but thank God I have overcome everything else.
Hi, my name is Akanksha. You're watching me on Manduk. Please like, share and subscribe.
She's a good learner. I have taught her. I told her to follow Banduk, subscribe Banduk, to see what Banduk is posting, because I do that. I stalk Banduk. So go, you also follow Banduk.